Ito yung sekreto na bar na walang signage pero fully booked araw-araw. This is in New York and in 2007 kasi is sobrang crowded. Punong-puno ng mga bars doon. People were advertising, people were shouting, come in, no? May mga signage, may mga ads. And the owners decided to do something different. What they did is they did the exact opposite. Now, what if instead na we're gonna have a very big signage, we're gonna have no signage, and there is friction, they need a passcode for them to get in, okay? And that's what they did. And do you know what happened? They were awarded in 2012 and up until today, it is the most fully booked and the hardest to get in New York. It's because pag sinabing hardest, punong-puno na sila na mahirap ka makapasok ngayon, okay? Now, what's the lesson here? The lesson is, in business, for you to stand out, all you have to do is do the exact opposite of what everyone else is doing. Now, for context, para lang maintindihan mo, sa New York kasi is when you walk in the streets, you can see bars everywhere. You can come in and, everyone's there. Pero dito, walang signage and you have to go to a telephone booth, dial 1, just for this little door to open. So just imagine how difficult na makapasok and mataas yung friction. The name of this bar is PDT. Please don't tell. Okay? So, just imagine. Please don't tell. Because of doing the exact opposite, it created all the psychological triggers of like curiosity. Na parang, ano yan? Right? And the fact na makakapasok ka, it created some sort of an elite status for you kasi you were revealed a secret that not everyone else actually knows. And because of that, they became fully booked. So, in your business, you want to ask yourself, what are the things that my competitors are doing? And I'm gonna do the exact opposite for me to stand out. My name is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.